Hey guys, it's Ryan here, and today I have the Brydge Plus polycarbonate keyboard for the iPad to review. There will be a link in the description to find more info and purchase this product. I would just like to say a big thanks to the people at Brydge Keyboards for sending this out to me. You guys are very kind. Now this version that I'm reviewing is their Brydge Plus polycarbonate keyboard with speaker. The iPad is easy to remove and to actually place into the keyboard. It connects to the iPad via Bluetooth, which is easy to set up, which is always great. But one thing I have found is that I always need to turn on the speaker function when I already actually have the keyboard turned on. You actually have to turn on the speaker again by holding a few buttons actually down on the keyboard, which can be kind of annoying. You might have to go into settings sometime, so that is kind of annoying. But to actually connect the keyboard itself, you just turn it on, and once you have it already synced, away you go. Now the keyboard battery is very good. I've been watching many videos and playing music through it daily for a couple of weeks now, and it still has not drained the power. So if you guys are using the keyboard itself occasionally, the speaker, the battery will definitely last you guys a long time. When using this keyboard, it feels like you're kind of using a MacBook Mini except with no tripod. It is a great keyboard for doing casual searches on the internet or writing Word documents on it. The keys themselves are very small, which kind of make it difficult to adjust to, and it's also kind of difficult to adjust to the way that, in a sense, it is a touchscreen laptop, so it kind of takes a while to adjust. You kind of always go for a trackpad, but yet everything is still touchscreen as it kind of functions as the iPad itself. The finish quality is very good and smooth. It is a very well built keyboard, and if you really wanted to match your iPad, the polycarbonate version is alright, but if you really wanted to match, I would definitely recommend spending a little bit extra to get the aluminum version. It is a very lightweight keyboard, which is great when carrying it around with the iPad. It does not offer any protection to one side of the iPad, which if you do drop it, it may not turn out well, but the other side with the screen on it is protected by the keyboard, so there should be no issues with cracking the screen. If you guys are interested, I would definitely recommend this keyboard if you're serious about turning your iPad into a notebook. But for average users out there, there are many cheaper options available from Logitech and Zag. So anyway guys, that is it from me. I hope you guys have enjoyed this review. If you guys wouldn't mind leaving a like, that always helps, and do subscribe if you'd like to stay up to date with more content. So anyway guys, that is me, and I'll talk to you guys in another review. Goodbye.